Lesson 3. Navigating and filling cells. In this lesson, you'll learn how to navigate to named cells, ranges, and other workbook objects, and how to search for data and use autofill to fill cell contents automatically. Sometimes, you inherit a workbook containing special formatting, formulas, named ranges, cells, or tables, all of which might not be obvious. Being able to familiarize yourself with everything that a workbook contains will help save time in future and help you understand the data better. Topic 1. Navigate to named cells, ranges, or workbook elements. Did you know that a workbook can contain hidden information? Not everything on display is obvious. Every cell in Excel has a unique reference, that is, A1, B1, C1, and others. However, you can apply a name of your own choice to cells, ranges of data, and tables. All this will be covered in more detail later in the course. In this lesson, you'll learn how to quickly go to named cells, ranges, or tables by using the name box and the Go to command. The Go to command can also highlight workbook elements, such as formulas and conditional formatting. Again, this will be covered in more detail later in the course. To navigate to a cell, enter any cell reference into the name box and select Enter, and you'll navigate there. However, if a workbook contains a named item, you can use the name box to jump there also. Select the drop-down button on the name box. Select the name of the item you wish to jump to from the list. To navigate using Go to command. From the Find and Select command on the Home tab, select Go to, Ctrl+G or F5, to open the Go to dialog box. Select the item you wish to jump to and select OK. To display workbook elements, select Find and Select on the Home tab and then select Go to Special. Or select Ctrl+G or F5 and select Special. Select the item to display, and select OK.